In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Privacy Aware Personal Data Storage Learning, how to protect user privacy from the external applications. Nowadays, personal data we are digitally producing or scattered in different online systems managed by different providers. Example, online social media, hospitals, banks, airlines, etc. In this way, on the one hand, users are losing control on their data, whose protection is under the responsibility of the data provider, and on the other, they can't fully exploit their data, since each provider keeps a separate view on them. To overcome this scenario, personal data storage has inaugurated a substantial change to way people can store and control their personal data by moving further from a service centric to a user centric mode. Personal data storage enables individual to collect into a single local valid personal information they are producing. Such data can then be collected and exploited by proper analytics tool as well as shared with third party under the control of end users. This view is also enabled by recent developments in the privacy legislation and in particular by the new General Data Protection Regulation, whose Art 20 states the right to data probability, according to which the data subject shall have the right to receive the personal data concerning him or her, which he or her has provided to a controller in a structured, commonly used and machine readable format, thus making possible data collection into a privacy personal data storage systems. In this project, the main objective is to solve with the semi-supervised machine learning techniques by introducing the input data with a privacy label and unprivacy label to predict that privacy storage systems. Hardware requirements we need: operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM 4 GB and above, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to software requirements, we need to install Python with a version of 3.7. Methodologies. To implement this project, we have introduced a few modules that are: first one, upload healthcare labeled dataset. In this dataset, we will be having the label class last class column. So this data set will be uploaded to this application. Next module, upload healthcare unlabeled dataset. In this application, we are going to upload the dataset to this application, which is named as unlabeled in the healthcare sector. And next module, run existing semi-supervised algorithms. These semi-supervised algorithms are known as only the partial implementation of the program will be activated. So semi-supervised learning is a type of machine learning that falls in between supervised and unsupervised learning. It is a method uses a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data to train and model. So run existing semi-supervised assemble algorithm. We are going to build the model semi-supervised assemble algorithm and train it with the test data and also predict and calculate the accuracy score. The next one, run personalized history based on active learning algorithm. Active learning algorithm is being used for task of object detection is then MIAOD active learning or multiple instant active object detection model. Using this dispendency learning and multiple instance learning, the MIAOD model selects informative images from the unlabeled set to have the user label. So in this module, we are going to build the model PHBAL and test them and also train and then we can predict the accuracy of the personalized history based active learning algorithm. Then last module, accuracy graph. In this module, we are going to plot the graphical representation of the two algorithms which we have used in this project. Execution. Coming to the execution, go to the code file. This is the code file consists of dataset file which contains labeled and unlabeled datasets, and this is the main code file, and this is run bat file. Instead of executing command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the program. By clicking double tap on it, it leads into the graphical user interface which is interactive to the project user. Now first button, upload healthcare dataset. By clicking this button, you can see the dialog box open and select the label dataset and click on open. Then label dataset is loaded and it generates the record of the dataset. Now click on the upload healthcare unlabeled dataset. By clicking this button, you can see the dialog box open and select the unlabeled dataset and click on the open, and the dataset will be loaded and it shows the records of the dataset. Now click on the button run existing semi-supervised assemble model. You can see here the assemble model which was performed with the samples and also the output which was predicted here, and you can see that semi-supervised assemble model accuracy here. And then click on the run personalized history based active learning machine learning algorithm. By clicking this button, it will generate the PHBAL generates all the outputs of the labels which are found, and also it generates the accuracy of the personalized history based active learning algorithm. Then click on the button accuracy graph. By clicking this button, you can see the graphical representation of semi supervised assemble algorithm and also proposed personalized algorithm. So now here you can see the differences between the two accuracy level, and in the x-axis the labels are represented and in y-axis the count of the percentage of the accuracy is represented. So in this project we can conclude that personalized based active learning algorithm has the highest score in the accuracy. Close this execution part of the code and close the command prompt. Now go to the conclusion. In this project, we have found that privacy-aware personal data storage able to automatically take the privacy-aware decision on the third party's access request in accordance with the user performance. By this project, we can conclude that using personalized history-based active learning algorithm has predicted with the best accuracy in the prediction of privacy awareness personal data storage system.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.